Alright, so I'll put the cover back on. I cleaned up the case, both sides, right? Both sides, the mating surface on both sides. If you need to use a razor, scrape off the old gasket, do that. Wipe it all clean. There's 2 dowel pins. There's one right here, and there's another one back here. Make sure you put those 2 on. I like to have them on the case side instead of the cover. That way I could put my gasket there and not have to, make sure that the gasket's nice and lined up, and it's not it's not in the wrong spot. So both sides cleaned up. I'm good there. So put this back on. And those dowel pins those are location pins basically. If you're in the right spot, it will, your cover should just pop right in. Let's see, why is my cover not coming in? Feels like something's touching something somewhere. Okay, let's try that again. So, right. Oops, not in the right spot. That's weird. Feels like it's off right here. Dowel pins. That felt totally off. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. That's in the right spot right there. It's not going in though. It's not going all the way in. Okay, there it goes. Now it's all the way in. Okay. Get my bolts in place. Just hand tighten is good. You want to start in the middle and work your way out. So in this case, the middle is it's here. This is a narrow section. This right here is wider. So start at the more narrow section and work in a crisscross pattern until you go out to the wider part. That's because again this is a cover. So you don't want the cover to distort, otherwise it'll leak. If you put these bolts, or you tighten these bolts down, the cover bolts down, in an improper sequence, and it causes distortion. So there's the clutch cable thingamabob here. So make sure that's on right here. Make sure that's on, and also there's 2 other cable guides out on this other side right here. This one right here. There's one right there, and the other one is up right here. So make sure, oops, right there like that. Make sure those two are on as well. All right. Otherwise, you got them in the wrong spot. They will. Your cables and such might flap around. You don't want that because it's right next to the exhaust here. It could hit the exhaust and cause melt your cable and cause a short. That cable is actually for the from what I could tell, the cable that's right here is for the O2 sensor, lambda sensor. Okay, now we'll start torquing it down. Shouldn't need that much torque. Probably only like maybe 10 foot-pounds, maybe even less than that. So I'm just go a little bit at a time in a crisscross pattern. probably gonna go two, maybe three times crisscrossing. That's one already. Go back to again. A little tighter. The first time around I didn't go very tight. Still feel light. So the second time go a little bit tighter. Since this is only a valve cover, I'm not too concerned about it as far as torque, proper torque. As long as I'm torquing it down about evenly by hand. As far as how much pressure I'm putting down with my hand, that should be enough. Okay, so that's my third time, and that's probably gonna be the last one. And you notice where I'm holding my wrench. I'm holding it right there at the head, so that way it's not that much leverage. As I was using an Allen key, because this is an Allen head. Allen keys are not that long to begin with, so you don't have that much leverage anyways. So that should be good there, I think. Now I just need to redo my clutch cable here, connect my clutch cable, and readjust it, and I'm done. Okay, so I'm gonna probably just do that off camera. Actually, you know what? I also need to put the foot pegs right here back. So this part right here. Bolt. Let's see, that's a 12 millimeter. I'm not going to cinch this one down tight yet because I still need to do the axle. It's not the axle. The swing arm bolt nut. So I'm going to tighten that first before I tighten this bottom one down here. Let's see, where's my wrench for that? So the other side is a 14 millimeter. 14. So I'm just going to hold the other side and I'm going to spin from this side. And this one, I'm not sure how much torque it is. It's probably like 64, 65 foot-pounds. Maybe as high as 80, but I don't think it's that much. I don't think the axle is that long. I think it's only like 65 or so. I'm just going to go by feel. Bottom one here. Okay, now I just need to put oil in this thing and it should be good. Oh, actually, no, I need to redo my clutch cable there. Let's see. See if I can do this without too much movement here. So I have plenty of slack on this end, so that'll let my clutch cable go right in, slip right in to where it's supposed to be. Okay, it's in there. Now I need to take out that slack now. So I need to take out that slack. Like so, I'm gonna go about halfway between both sides here. I think that's where I started out prior to taking this off. So I'm gonna go about the same here as well. Now both sides, as far as the threads go, they were pretty even on both sides. So I'm gonna do that as well with this. Okay, so that's pretty close to being even. Let's call it good right there. I'm gonna tighten that down real quick, and I need to test the clutch feel, see if it feels alright or not. Okay, so let's call it good for now. And I can feel for the clutch. If I need to adjust some more, I'll just go back and move this back and forth a little bit. That's about it. Everything else is buttoned up. Again, I just need to pour the oil, pour oil back in, and I'm good. Alright, thanks for watching.